Hi, I'm Sarah Gudis, an MBA 2 and one of the co-presidents of the Human Capital Club.
Sarah, what did you do before you came back to business school?
I originally taught with Teach for America in the South Bronx and then worked also in the education space at a small company that ran summer programs for high school students.
What was your career focus when you came to Ross?
I was originally interested in nonprofit leadership coming into business school, and I was lucky to meet with another Teach for America alumni who happened to be going into the human capital roles. And it was through talking with her about my interest in talent management and leadership development and speaking with Ross alumni who came back for the Women in Leadership Conference that I learned that those who were really successful in working in nonprofits and mission-driven organizations all had private or corporate experience where they really were able to see, best practices in major corporations and then take these learnings and apply them later on to their smaller organizations where they wouldn't have gotten the training. So early in the fall, I kind of had some soul searching and switched my interests from the nonprofit space to corporate human resources.
Where did you do your summer internship?
So I interned at the Campbell Soup Company in talent management this past summer.
Can you share one experience that you had with the Human Capital Club that you found valuable?
Absolutely. So I was lucky enough to be selected through the Human Capital Club to attend the National Academy of Human Resources conference that's held every year in New York City. It's an honorary organization where the top HR professionals from major companies come to share their experiences, network, and develop some thought leadership. We were able to join in some discussion sessions, network with these executives, and then have some interviews. So I had 3 interviews and was able to find a position with Campbell Soup.
Where will you be going full-time when you leave Ross?
Full-time, I'll be joining Citibank's HR rotational program.
Great. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you, and go Blue.